Yo, I just woke up, but you guys do not want to miss out on the sale on the viral TikTok digital alarm clock. Looks just like this right here, and it has so many features. Tells you the day of the week, the time in military or regular, the temperature, and the date. You can also change the color to whatever color fits your room. I paid like $30 for mine back in the day, and it was worth it, but now you can get them on the TikTok shop for only $10. I already posted a video, and this guy already ordered it, so be like this guy and grab them while they're still on sale right now.